In this video, we're going to go over problem 331. It's actually a very simple part, but because of the tapering or the slope, it makes it a little difficult to visualize. All right, so in this problem, you have part of the front view, the complete right side view, but the top view is missing. So you're going to have to do that from scratch, top view. All right, so let's take a look at the 3D model. Okay, so there's the part. Again, the yellow surfaces will throw you off slightly because they're sloping. Okay, so let's take a look at the front view, right? The yellow looks horizontal or planar to our screen. Okay, definitely the bottom one is planar to our screen, but the yellow is actually sloping away from left to right. Okay, but the view is actually pretty straightforward for the front. All we're missing is a visible object line. Now the right side view, for AutoCAD, it's already complete for us. There's nothing missing. There's no red hidden lines in the background. So the right side view is done. Let's go back to the front. Okay, and at the end we'll do the top view, which is incomplete. Everything's missing in the top view. It's okay. We'll do it step by step. So let's take care of the front view. All we're missing is the visible object line. Okay, so once again, right side view is complete. Let's complete the front view. So you are in the visible object layer, line command. And all we're missing, object snap, from this corner, just go across, click, turn on ortho. And there it is, right? And right click enter. That's it, we're done with the front view. Now there are hidden lines in the background, but they are overwritten by the visible object lines. So if we go to the back, all these edges in the back, all these hidden lines that we can't see will be overwritten by the visible object lines. So in our case, there's no hidden lines to draw. Yeah, there's hidden lines behind this object line, but the object line overwrites it, and we won't be able to see it. Okay, so we're done with that. Now let's go to the top view. And there's the top view. So all we're missing in the top view, actually everything, right? We need to draw the rectangular periphery of this top view. And then the sloping from left to right on the yellow surfaces, right? Or mustard. Okay, so this one's a little challenging because of the sloping, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Draw your rectangular box and your diagonals or angles here, and we're done. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so how do we draw our top view? Okay, so to draw our top view, again, if you were to start this from scratch, you would draw boxes representing the overall length and depth. Front view would be overall length and height, and the side view is overall height and depth. All right, so let's go to the top view, which is completely missing, but we have the construction lines. Everything is supposed to line up. Okay, so let's go to the visible layer, and we're going to draw lines. So from this bottom left corner, or I should say top corner in the front view, we're going to go straight up, click, and then we know we have to go up to this point, right? But let me hit escape. We'll do the same thing from this vertex. Go straight up, right click enter, and that's it for part of the front top view using the front. So now let's do it from the right side view. Same thing we did. We lined up with the front view. Now let's do it with the right side view. So line command again. So this is the depth. Let's take care of the depth. So from this corner, we're going to go straight up, hit the 45, and come across. There it is. And right click enter. And from this vertex here, 45 and across. And right click enter. Okay, so this is our top view. All this other stuff is excess, so we need to shorten this. So we need to remove that excess. Same thing with this one. There it is. And same thing with this one. We got to shorten it using the object snap and this one. So there it is. It escaped. Now you can see how it lines up with the yellow construction lines. There it is. We don't need this portion. Oh, hit escape. I misclicked. Left mouse click, left mouse click, and delete. Okay, so there's the top view. All we're missing now are the diagonals or the angled lines here. So you can see, you go from the upper left corner and draw same thing for the bottom left vertex and at an angle to hit the object line here. Okay, so let's go back to AutoCAD. So you can see it's going to line up with this point and that point. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw the object lines. Okay, we'll start with the right side. So from this vertex here, as you can see, from here to here, hit the 45, go across, click, and then you go to the bottom left corner. Let me turn off object snap temporarily. My mistake, not object snap, ortho. Okay, so turn object snap back on, turn off ortho, and there it is. And right click enter. Okay, same thing for the top. Visible object line. We'll start with the side view. Click, hit the 45, go across, hit the object line, and I should have turned ortho back on, but it looks like everything is straight. And click, and right click enter. And that's it. We're done with the top view. Get rid of the evidence that you cheated. And delete. Oh, I accidentally deleted one of the yellow construction lines, but that's okay because we don't need it anymore. Let's go ahead and turn off the yellow construction lines. And that's it. We're done. Let's take a look at the answer key. And there it is. We did finish it. It's complete, pretty straightforward. It's just a little confusing because of the tapering, right? But that's it. All right, so let's go ahead and save our work. There's no LTS here, no red hidden lines, no center lines. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this, save as, and add our initials and save it. All right, so that's the end of this video.